If you're serious about becoming a certified coach, not just in theory, but in practice, this is your moment. At International Coaching Education, when you sign up for one of our ICF accredited coaching education programs, you're not just learning how to coach, you're building a coaching business from day one. We automatically upgrade all level 1 and level 2 students into our Coaching Business Accelerator, a powerful add-on designed to help you, 1, build confidence through coaching mastery, 2, launch a real coaching practice while you study, 3, start earning from your coaching, not years later, but now. 4, join a global community of coaches growing together. You'll get live mentorship, advanced strength-based tools, step-by-step business development support, and lifetime access to seasonal education and collaboration events, so your learning never stops. And the best part? It's fully virtual, flexible, international, and it's designed for professionals like you who want to bring coaching into their work and build a business that makes a difference. This isn't just certification, it's transformation. Join us at ICE and accelerate your path to becoming a world-class coach with a thriving practice. Spots are limited. Check the link for our current promotional offer, and let's get started. Thank you for listening.